Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and then select our settings icon. Here you want to scroll down to the battery section right here under the device category, and then click on these three dots and select battery saver. Toggle it on and it is now enabled, which you can see based on this red bar that it shows you on your status bar. So this will stay red as long as your power saving mode is enabled. Now once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, you can direct this notification and then quickly turn it off. Unfortunately, there is no toggle in the notification center to actually turn it on and off quickly, so this is the only way you can do it. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.